We have this another question here, NECTA 2021, Form 4. This is NECTA Form 4, 2021, question number 12C. A ship sails from point A, whereby the latitude of point A was 10 degrees Celsius, then south, and 30 degrees Celsius, then west. But also your point B, it is 11 degree north, then 30 degree west, at a speed of this one. This is 900 km per hour. If it leaves point A at, at 10 o'clock AM, when it arrives at B, whereby it given this one, the radius of the S, it is 6,400 km, and the pi is equal to 3.14. So here the question, it requires to find the time of reaching at point B when it leaves from this one 10 o'clock AM. So at what time it reached at point B when this ship to leaving from point A and it leaves from, it was on at this 10 o'clock AM. So at what time now it's going to reach this point B? So this is also, it's very simple question on this sphere is concerned. So letter given from that question that we have point B. Point B, it was this one, we have our data, but also point B, we have this one on your data from the question there. So, but also we have been given this speed. Speed is equal to this one. So what the leaving time also we have been given from point A, it was 10 o'clock AM. But also what we have been required to find, it was to find the reaching time at point B. So it's very simple. First of all, we know that because we have the speed, we know the speed, the formula of the speed is equal to distance over time. So we have the formula, but also we have the distance you can obtain from this point, because you have this point A, point B. You can find by using the formula to find the distance. Then you have to obtain the distance. You are required from that distance, and you have to find the time from the formula of speed. That you have the speed, then the distance that we will obtain here, then you will get the time. So what time that the ship to use from point A to point B, then we come to find on the reaching time. So it's very simple. Let us now continue. So we have the distance. We have these points. Distance formula, it will be distance is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So you just look on this, your data, that when you find your number from the latitudes, you have latitude here 10, latitude here 11. So on your formula now, you don't include the cosine, cos of phi, don't include. But when you find this number, they are the same. This is 10 and this is 10. Just put here cosine. So on your formula, it will change from this one. Then the cosine, cos of psi, it will be added. It will be included here. So because now this number, they are not the same, we will not include the cosine. So theta is equal to this alpha plus beta. We have these numbers. They are the same. Of course, this one not the same, but different direction. When you find there is different direction, just plus, find the total number of that number. 10 plus 11 you find to be this 21. So radius we have 6,400 km, but also have this pi 3.14. So from the distance formula now, this one, just put the theta, it was 21 degree over 360 times 2 times the 3.14 times the radius that we have in kilometer. But also when you manipulate here now on your calculator, you will find the distance. The distance, you will find this in kilometer, it will be 2,344.53 kilometers. So hence now, because we have this distance and you have the speed that have been given, the speed which is this 900 kilometers per hour. So the form of speed is equal to distance of time. You have the speed, just substitute here. Substitute is 2,344.53 kilometers over time, because we know speed is equal to distance of time. So we don't have this time, just find time. cross multiplication to obtain time, we find that time is equal to 3 is equal to this over 900 kilometers per hour. Also this now kilometer and kilometer will cancel out, then we will remain with this one, hour. So time is equal to, when you divide here, it's very simple, you get 2.60 hours. These are hours. So you can change this 0.60, just change it in 2 minutes, because these are hours, but this point something, just change this in 2 minutes. Whereby we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So how about 0 point, that included here, 0.60, 0.60, it means 0.6 degree, because it was now we have the speed is equal to distance over time, whereby distance in kilometer, then time over in hour. So we have the distance that you have been given, it was 900 kilometers per hour equal to distance. So the distance, this one that you have been obtained there above, then over time. So you obtain the value of time is equal to this one over 900. So kilometer here, because it was 900 kilometers per hour, kilometer and kilometer, we cancel out, we remain with this half. So time is equal to 2.60 hours. So 2.60 hours, these are hours. So you can change this 0.60 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. How about 0.6 hours? Is equal to how much minutes? To obtain the minutes, instead of writing 2 point something hours, then write 2 with 2 hours with how much minutes. So just obtain 0.6 hours times this as 60 minutes, you obtain this way over 1 hour. Then this hour you cancel out with this hour, 0.6 times 60 minutes, you get this 36 minutes. So on inside here 0.6 hours, you obtain the minutes will be 36 minutes. Then now, the time that used now, it will be time equal to 2 hours and 36 minutes that have been used by the ship to reach from point A to point B. So the reaching time now, we have to take this now. The reaching time is equal to leaving time plus the time used during traveling by the ship. So the leaving time it was 10 o'clock. It was 10 o'clock here. So plus the used time during the traveling. This one 2 hours and 36 minutes. Just 2 hours and 36 minutes. Then find the sum. You obtain here, it will be 12, then 12 hours and 36 a.m. So this will be the reaching time at point B. It will be at this time at 12 and 36 a.m. So now the question is over. Thank you very much.